Alright, so currently have a tire around my stomach.
It blends.
I mean, it works. It's not ideal. I can't even say this shit with a straight face. But yeah, I have a tire around my stomach right now. Going to get it put on the front. I'm happy I didn't decide to do both the tires on the same day, because they probably wouldn't fit or I'd look like the damn Michelin Man. But I am not kidding. I'm sure I'll put the clip in when I'll put the clip in the beginning of the video of me putting this thing on and sitting on the bike. This is the most ridiculous I have ever felt. I feel degraded, and nobody's to blame but myself. Oh, I wish I had a trunk. Oh, I wish people weren't out and watching me right now. People are gonna see me and they're gonna laugh, and I feel like a clown. I feel as stupid as I look. That's for fucking sure. Yep, that's for sure. I definitely feel as stupid as I look. But make people smile, I guess. They know what's up. Some people do. I mean, I have a car. I don't like driving it. I didn't want to have somebody follow me to the tire shop just to get a tire dropped off. Like, that's ridiculous. It's a 20-minute drive. I didn't want to bug anybody. It's a beautiful summer day. Nobody wants to deal with my shenanigans. But I'm innovative. I'm not the first one to do this. I am 100% certain of that. But oh my gosh. Oh man. Yep, I feel funny. I actually feel kind of safe though, because if I fell, I got this rubber protection around my waist. Yeah, this is excellent right here. This is awesome. I wish I had a video or a rearward facing camera. I can't talk. Excuse me. But yeah, I wish I had a rearward facing video just so I could see how stupid I look riding this damn thing right now. Wish I had a camera person, somebody to get a shot, but I don't. And if I did, I'd probably have them just take the tire for me so I don't even look stupid. But yeah, this is a last minute thought. I set up this appointment yesterday. I didn't even think about this. I didn't think about how the tire was gonna get there. I honestly 100% did not plan this out. This is me thinking on the fly. That's why I get paid the big bucks. Oh man. But yeah, bet you my tire gets there. I bet you my tire gets there. And I got a backpack on it. It takes the weight off my backpack too, because it's kind of sitting on it in the back. Yeah, I am ridiculous. I was gonna go a different route to stay off this main road, but this is the quicker route, so we're just gonna keep on trucking along. It's fine. Everything is fine. Oh, don't mind me, people. I am the Michelin Man's little brother, Metzler. Of all days, if I'm gonna get pulled over, 100% wanted to be with this tire around my waist. Yeah. But now that I want to get pulled over, you know that's not happening. Oh, don't mind me, people. Nothing to see here. Just a dude with a tire around his waist looking like a pool floaty. Looks like I got a dang lifesaver on. At least I ain't gotta take the freeway. So there's that. I mean, I could get it there. I could get it there, that's for sure. Matter of fact, anybody needs a tire moved, call your boy. I got you. We are getting places. Yeah, I thought that Jeep had his signal on. He did. I know he did. Oh, he just didn't know where he was turning. What a beautiful day to wrap a tire around your waist and go for a cruise. It's all for good cause though. This front tire is gone. Like, it is smoked. Harley, these Dunlop GT 503s are garbage. I mean, they grip okay, but they are garbage. Like, these things are cracking a little bit. I've had this bike since April. It's now middle of July. I've had it literally 3 months. And these tires have cracks in them. It's crazy. And I don't use no harsh detergents or anything. These tires are junk, man. I don't know what's going on with them. And they're bald. Absolutely bald. They are no more. Definitely not very safe. I got some couple 100-mile rides coming up, so definitely replacing these. But yeah, today's my day. It's talk of the town, people. Talk of the town. It'll be worth it though. Bronson, which is my bike, needs a new shoe. Just one. That rear shoe, we'll wait. We'll wait till after at least Woodward Dream Cruise. If you don't know what that is, that's a rolling car show essentially, and that it's so much fun. But everybody smokes their tires. Hello, I'm everybody. I smoke my tires, so we're not replacing the rear quite yet. I'm gonna go there and probably burn most of the rubber off before I get that rear tire replaced. Be the smart thing to do. And the rear's still good. This is crazy. This front tire is absolute junk. The rear tire still has a good amount of tread. It's probably 50%. Front, man, it's probably like 3%, 4%. I don't know. It's bad. It's bad. I wish I had a depth gauge. I would absolutely tell you what it is. I just know ain't much to it. Had to make sure I was recording this. If I didn't get this on film, I would be so mad. Like, extremely mad. This is best content I've got so far. And I feel ridiculous doing this. But I'd even more ridiculous with a popped front tire. So, here we are. I knew it. I knew it. I felt it. My antennas were up. I could smell them. It smelled like a Dunkin' Donuts coupon. Go ahead, people. Laugh it up. Laugh it up. I just want a fellow biker to see me. That's all. A fellow biker's gonna understand. These people driving these four-wheeled vehicles, they don't. Man, you got a trunk. You don't know how good you have it. Me, I got a backpack and a waist. If it can't fit in the backpack, you got to figure it out, man. And today, I'd like to say I figured it out. Oh gosh, pray for me. I am not well. Come on, people. We're like 6 minutes away. Let's go. Bet you the tire guy gets a good laugh out of this. Oh, your blinker's on the wrong side, bud. You got your cables mixed up. I tell you, but I look like I'm in a frickin' lifesaver right now. Oh, I should be sitting in a damn pool. Let's go. The less time I spend in traffic, the more dignity I go home with. Let's go, people. Follow me, and you'll be in a world of OSHA violations. Oh, man. I wonder what a cop would say about this. Like, I'm seriously curious. if I pulled up to a cop, I would definitely ask, like, is there a law that I'm breaking? Honestly want to know. I don't think there is. Besides looking stupid, ain't nothing wrong I'm doing. It's the kind of behavior they put the jacket on and make you hug yourself. Which, I mean, I need some self-love, so I'm cool with that jacket. But if you're gonna make me love myself, I mean, I'm not gonna argue with you. Self-care, baby. It's whatever you do, make sure this tire gets swapped out, because by any means, we're getting it to the tire shop. I don't care if I gotta race one of those dudes with the party lights on top of their car. We're getting to the tire shop. Oh my god. It's like I don't remember these bumps being here before. I was just here yesterday. Drove the same exact lane. Who put these bumps there? Yeah, there we are. Finally. Magic Motorsports. Do you see me in the glass? Yeah, you see me. Oh god, I look so silly. Alright, time to get this damn lifesaver off. Yeah, there it is. Metzler Cruise Tech. The only other tire that'll fit this dang thing. The Harley Sportster S 2023 edition. Blueberry flavored. Well, that's it for this. Maybe I'll check back in after I get this thing put in. Adios, folks.